Radhe Radhe guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's start with new topic MX Excel. Shortcut key to open MX Excel. Excel. Note: open window run command window plus R. Enter Excel. Click OK. Minimize MX Excel. Alt space R. Restore down MX Excel. Alt space X. Close MX Excel. Alt space C. Go to end row, control plus down arrow key. Note total rows 104856. Go to last column, control plus right arrow key. Note total column 17384. Come back on first row, first column, control plus home key. To go to another cell, use arrow keys. Increase cell width. Put your cursor between both cells where we able to see plus icon, then double click. Go to down cell, press enter key. To modify or enter in cell, press F2 key. To delete cell contact, click on cell and press delete key. To delete more cells, select all cells, then click delete key. Thanks for watching.